What's up, everyone? I'm going to try to show you guys how to find top dead center in pretty much any engine and in a knowledgeable fashion other than just looking for certain marks and timing clicks. For example, right here on this camshaft sprocket, they say there's an arrow right there. I just put some white out over it to kind of highlight the arrow. And on that arrow, it's supposed to point to a certain colored link on the chain right here. And I couldn't find a certain colored link, and if you see, it's right at top dead center right now, and I'll show you why in a bit, but there's no different colored link right in there. So regardless, let me show you what I did. Alright, so first I learned about engines and how they work, and the valve opening, and cylinder and piston moving, because I'm just a med student, I'm no car mechanic. And I'll put a link to that video here below. Anyways, this is a 6-cylinder, 1997 Maxima GXE. And the way the cylinders are numbered, number 1 is the passenger side, closer to the firewall, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 right up here, closer to the battery. So what you need to do is you need to remove the spark plug from cylinder number 1. The spark plug, when you look inside here, I've taken the ignition coil, valve cover, and all that off here, rocker cover, whatever they call it. When you look inside, you'll see there's a spark plug. So I already placed the extension bar in there, and it's not that deep in there as you just saw. Here's the extension bar. It's a 3H drive. It's a 5/8 of an inch socket to get it out. So you need a special one, not just a deep socket, but one for spark plugs. And I just started to take it out. So put it on that way and loosen it. So you need to loosen that spark plug. It shouldn't be there too tight. Alright, and there is a spark plug. It came right out for me. Now you can test this spark plug, and it's very cheap. I don't even know if it was $1, I can't remember. And you get one of these little markers, and they have ticks, but it says this should be around 0.043 of an inch. So you put it on the smaller end here, just like that, and you rotate it around. And this is a little bit big. This is around like a little under 0.05, so it probably should be replaced. Anyways. Now, if we take a look inside, you will see there's that empty hole where the spark plug used to be, and that's the cylinder that should be pushed up all the way up to the top right here. And here's one more thing before I continue to do the rotation. I have a 1/4 inch socket wrench. I got 2 little extensions here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it where the spark plug used to be, and I'm going to drop it in there. Right now it's at top dead center, so this should be the highest that it goes up. And you can keep an eye on it as I'm rotating the crankshaft below. As the piston goes up and down, what happens to this socket. Okay, so I'm at top dead center now in the compression stroke. But again, if you understand the workings of the engine, you'll understand there are 4 strokes to the engine. Okay, so to explain the 4 strokes to the engine, let me show you this first. I got a 1/2 inch breaker bar right here. I got an extension. I believe it's a 19mm socket. I have the crankshaft bolt on there. I already took it off, just like the starter trick that you see everybody doing, or you could use one that I showed in my previous video. Alright, so I'm rotating the crankshaft here, and it's spinning down below, and the engine's going through its cycles. It's 4 strokes. And so now it's going to go down. I believe that would be the combustion stroke here, and then you can see the, I guess they're called journals right here on the intake camshaft, and keep spinning. You should start to see